This is a Browning over-under shotgun. We've been supplying Browning and Winchester for over 10 years now. To lock up this gun, first you'd open the action, make sure it's all clear. Engage the locks with this tamper-proof Torx. Put some forward pressure and just turn it about a quarter to a half a turn clockwise on each lock. And it's locked up. Because it's a passive system, you can still close the gun. To unlock, open up the action, and again engage the locks with this Torx key. It's a quarter turn counterclockwise. And then use gravity to extract the locks.